Warrior House favorite, the BORA Centipede 4x8 workstand, a heavy-duty foldable workstand that transforms into a large portable workbench at any job site. The complete kit includes 4 quick clamps, 4 X-shaped brackets for holding standard 2x4 steady, and a sturdy carry bag for easy transportation. The workstand boasts a working height of 30 inches, large enough to support a 4 feet by 8 feet sheet. It's expandable and supports up to 6,000 pounds of power tools and machinery. Choose from 4 sizes, and the larger the base, the more weight the table can hold, allowing you to complete multiple jobs at once. Pair your Centipede workstand with the Centipede Workbench tabletop for the ultimate workstation. It's perfect for DIY projects or moving from one work site to another. The Centipede tabletop works with all Centipede stands and can support up to 2,000 pounds. It measures 24 inches by 48 inches and is compatible with the Centipede 2x4. Bracket, quick clamp, and non-slip accessories. Finally, it features a carrying slot, allowing you to hold it in one hand while keeping your other hand free. Experience the convenience of the BORA Centipede workstand and tabletop today. Rated 4.7 stars. Order today at the link in the description.